In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boot on Windows 10. This can be very useful when you need to troubleshoot system problems or start your computer in a special mode like safe mode. First, click on the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's the small Windows logo that opens the Start menu. Next, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This will open the Windows Settings panel where you can adjust different system options. Inside the Settings window, find and click on Update and Security. This section contains options related to Windows updates, recovery tools, and system security. From the menu on the left side, select Recovery. The Recovery page provides several options for resetting or restarting your system in special modes. Now look for the section called Advanced Startup. Under it, click the Restart Now button. Your computer will restart and load a special recovery menu. When your PC restarts, you'll see a screen with several options. Click Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options, and after that, choose Startup Settings. Next, click Restart again. Your computer will reboot and display a list of startup options. At this point, you can choose different boot modes, such as Safe Mode, by pressing the corresponding number key on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the advanced boot options in Windows 10. These options are especially helpful when diagnosing problems or making advanced system changes.